नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रोफेसर सुनील अग्रवाल है। आई एम फाउंडर ऑफ द एसोसिएशन फॉर इंटीग्रेटिव हेल्थ एंड रिसर्च। और मेरा जो सबसे बड़ा काम है, जो मैंने 30 साल की अपनी कड़ी मेहनत के बाद अचीव किया है, वो मेरा कलर थेरेपी कॉन्सेप्ट है, जिसको कि मैं अग्रवाल एनर्जी कॉन्सेप्ट एंड कलर थेरेपी बोलता हूँ। कि कलर के द्वारा ही सारी चीज़ों का इलाज संभव है, चाहे वो कैंसर पेशेंट हो, चाहे टीबी पेशेंट हो, चाहे शुगर पेशेंट हो, चाहे आपका एक्सेसिव वेट ऑन द बॉडी हो, चाहे आपका अर्थराइटिस हो, और किसी भी तरह की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, सिरोसिस इन द बॉडी हो, स्किन प्रॉब्लम हो, और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो। और हर तरह के मैंने जो अपनी प्रोटोकॉल्स दी हैं और पेशेंट को मैंने बताया है ट्रीटमेंट, और पेशेंट ने उसको अप्लाई किया है। और मेरा ट्रीटमेंट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको डेली मेरे पास आने की जरूरत पड़ती है, या आप एवरी 15 डे या वंस अ वीक आप मेरे पास आते हो। जस्ट नथिंग लाइक इट। I try to make the patient himself independent so that he can treat himself the knowledge I have shared with him। जो मैंने नॉलेज उसको दिया है, जो प्रोटोकॉल दी है, उसके द्वारा पेशेंट अपने आप को कैसे ठीक कर सकता है, ये सबसे बड़ा मेरा अचीवमेंट है। और इसको मैं मेंटेन करना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे पास थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, थ्रू आउट द ग्लोब, पीपल आर कॉन्टेक्टिंग मी फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट, and just I give them the treatment with the help of the color or the Biol magnet or the chakra magnet on the bar magnet. Just I diagnose them. I am very confident and I am also very proud of my diagnosis. If I have diagnosed a patient for this particular problem, so I give the protocol, it means that person, that patient will get 100% results. It is not like that. You put this protocol and we will see. This is not my concept. My concept, if I have given the treatment to you, I have diagnosed you properly, and you must immediately respond to my treatment, whether it is a color treatment or whether it is a Sujok treatment, because the energy is very strong. Cosmic energy is very strong. Your third eye, your third vision or subconscious mind is very strong. It can directly reach to the patient. It can directly communicate with the patient. My patient sitting in the Dubai, sitting in the Singapore, sitting in the Malaysia, sitting in many these Middle East countries, far from the USA, Canada, German. One lady from the German, she was having a sugar issue from the age of 7. Now she is around 56. She was having a serious kidney issue. So I have given the protocol from this place, and I just mark the color on the various body points and colors on the some TCM point and some point which have been invented myself. Over experience, I was able to find that points. I invented that point. These points, nowhere these points are laid down. You will not find anywhere these points, but I have invented, I have experienced, and I am putting the color, I am putting the magnets, or I am suggesting to the patient to apply the pressure. So the patient are getting the good results. Lot of testimonials are in my record. In my record, lot of testimonials are there. Feedback from the patient is there. So today I am going to discuss about the Agarwal energy concept and color therapy. I am online running the classes. Color therapy level 1, level 2, and TCM without needle level 1, level 2, and now one more course is foundation course covering all the syllabus. Foundation course means I am teaching you human anatomy of the body. In the field of this holistic healing, I found no one is teaching you the anatomy of the body. Everybody must just start your class from this is the correspondence point, this is the lever point, this is the this point, this is the this point, or this is the TCM point. You can put the, if you are having the arthritis, you can put this point needle, or if you are having a back pain, then you put this needle. But no one is telling you, no one is teaching you why there is arthritis, why there is pain, what is the logic behind the pain, how you can treat the patient, what points you have to select, what point, why you are selecting these points, what is the root cause of the point, pain, what is the root cause of the problem. So in foundation course, I am sharing my experience, my knowledge with all of you, how you can diagnose the root cause of the disease. If you are able to diagnose the root cause of the disease, then treatment is no problem. Anybody can treat it. In the olden time, you could have seen there was the Ved, Indian Ved, or these Muslim Hakims. They were just putting their nerve. They are checking your nerve. By checking your nerve, they will diagnose your body and they will suggest your medicine. These are the medicine you take. They were so confident. So like them, I am also confident of my knowledge. What I have diagnosed on a metaphysical level, on your body, I have studied your energy by seeing your tongue, by seeing your forehead, by seeing your hairs, by seeing your nails. These nails are the indicator of your health. This tongue is indicator of your entire body system. This hair, they are related with the kidney and the urinary bladder. I can just watching your hair, I can see your kidney and urinary bladder are not in good health. They need to be repaired, or they need to be rectified, or they need a holistic healing treatment. If your skin, by watching your skin, I can guess your skin is having problem. The skin, it shows the lungs and the large intestine. By watching the skin, your skin, I can predict you are having the problem in the large intestine, or you are having the problem in the lungs, or your emotional level. My treatment is also based on the emotional level. So I can judge while you come to my clinic or you interact with me, whether it is on Facebook or whether it's a video chat. If you are doing a video chat, I can guess. Oh, the way you are talking, your expression, your eye movement, your eyeball movement, and there are so many other things. Everything can be read from the face. Just few days back, one lady from the Singapore, I told him to put the color on the liver 3. So she sent a picture of liver 3 color by putting on the foot. I was surprised to see that big condition of the toes. It has revealed all the story of that lady. I come to know everything from the condition of the toes, movement of the toe, straightness, bending, upward, downward, everything. I watched it, and on my experience, I asked the lady, "You are having this problem, this problem, this problem, this problem?" Yes, she said, "Yes, I am having the problem, I am having the problem, I am having the problem." So this is my basic knowledge, this is my aim to teach you all the people. Please, it's my request, if you want to be expert holistic healer, expert doctor, I can assure within 2 years of time, attending my 5 and 6 classes, that may be 10 days, 15 days, not more than that. And your investment is around 50-60,000 rupees. Investment is 50-60,000 rupees, or the 2 years and 5 and 6 classes you will be attending, and after completion of the 2 years course in practical and also theory classes, I am sure you will be the master and you will be the better than other people. In my classes, many students are coming. Those who are doing acupuncture last 15 years, Sujog, 6 level, 5 level, 8 level they have done. even then they are not able to diagnose the disease, they are not able to diagnose the patient, they cannot see the tongue, they cannot read the emotional condition of the patient. So now everything I am included in my courses. So I make you perfect teacher from the A to Z. It is my aim. If you are wasting money, if you are wasting your time, you are investing your time, investing your money, so it is my moral duty to give you the return equivalent to your money. तो दोस्तों, आपसे मेरी उम्मीद है कि आप लोग मेरे कोर्सेज को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ज्वाइन करिए और इस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठाइए। और जिन लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मेरे कोर्स किए हुए हैं, you are free to talk to them. If anybody wish, I can share the name or number of my student with their permission. If they permit, yes, you can give the number, my number, mobile number to so and so, then only I will share the number with you. And you are always welcome. You can see my Facebook pages, the knowledge I am sharing, the things I am sharing, what I am sharing. You can visit my website also. You can visit my YouTube channel. They are very knowledgeable information and everything is there. Everything is open. I am not hiding anything. If I have delivered my treatment protocol to the student, they will become expert doctors who will ask me. It's not like that. I am trying to shed off my complete knowledge to everybody. Those who have attended my classes, they are too much happy. They have too much happy. Their testimonials, if you say, it is an eye-opener to you. My video, those who are seeing in Canada, they are America, in USA, German, and so many countries, people are following me on the Facebook. They are following me on website also, and they are following me on Instagram. So many people at various levels, they are following me. They are not following me just for my face. They are following me for my knowledge, which I am delivering to them, which I am guiding to them, and they are being benefited for the knowledge. तो दोस्तों, मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेरे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज को ज्वाइन करिए। और अभी मेरा 17 तारीख से जो है फाउंडेशन कोर्स स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है। इस फाउंडेशन कोर्स में मैं एनाटॉमी को लूँगा और बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी लूँगा। कि सबसे बड़ी चीज़ इस कोर्स की है कि आपने रूट कॉज को, बीमारी की जड़ को कैसे पकड़ना है, और जब आपने रूट कॉज ऑफ द डिसीज इज डायग्नोज, then you can make a protocol, you can do the treatment. That is not a hassle. It's very simple. Everywhere it is written, for this problem you can use this point, for this point you can use this point, for shoulder pain you can use this point. But it is a matter of concern why this shoulder pain is there. There are so many reasons of shoulder pain. Lungs may be involved, pericardium may be involved, heart may be involved, liver may be involved, local area may be involved, cervical may be involved, and there are so many nerves coming from the brain that may be also involved in the shoulder region, shoulder area, frozen shoulder area, back movement of the shoulder. So these things I am trying to explain in my classes in my students. If you know the anatomy of the body, then only you may be able to make a right protocol. If you are able to make a right protocol, then treatment is just 2 minutes job. Just you press a point, immediately problem is solved. Just I will share one point with you people. You can see this area of the neck. Sometimes many people have pain in this area. When you move this neck like this, you may be having lot of pain in this area. So in this area there is a particular line, particular area. If you just press this ring finger, this is the point. Ring finger, I will mark, you can put this point. You can see, just apply pressure in this point like this. If it is on the left side, you press this left side. If it is on this is the area. This is the area of pain. If this pain is on this area, you can press this point and immediately you hold this point, ask the patient to move his neck. Immediately he will say, I am happy, I am comfortable, there is no pain. Then thank God. You can send a blessing to the God. Oh God, you have given me the power to treat this man. I put this pressure on this point and his problem is solved. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करिए और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और इसके ऊपर कमेंट दीजिए और इनको वीडियोस को आप अपने पेज के ऊपर शेयर करिए, अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में शेयर करिए और मेरी वेबसाइट के ऊपर जाइए. वेबसाइट के ऊपर आप अपने कमेंट दीजिए कि I have seen the video. After that video, seeing the video, I have treated the patient. They were very happy. They were sending me the love and blessing. Thank you so much.